Montblanc 1858 line reinterprets the Minerva professional watches of the 20s and the 30s, designed for military use and exploration. It also refers to the spirit of mountaineering and embodies the current trend of return to nature. The Montblanc 1858 Geosphere watch is linked to the theme of the Seven Summits, marked with red dots on the two rotating globes and also engraved on the back cover of the watch. This model features an exclusive world-time complication developed by Montblanc's watchmakers, with two domed globes representing the northern and southern hemispheres and completing a rotation in 24 hours. The two globes are surrounded by a scale with the 24 time zones, along with the day-night indication in contrasting colors. This provides an instinctive way to appreciate the different time zones with the help of the SuperLumiNova that enhances the continents for increased nighttime visibility and performance.